Good morning, everyone. We are here back again. I'm in Corniche in Khobar, Saudi Arabia. It's 5:58 in the morning here. It's more than 1 hour after sunrise. So I'm gonna show you here the sand. There are some birds and cat here. The sea is very calm, and you can see the water is clear. So the sun stretches from here over there. The weather is perfect, and the sea breeze is very good for your health, for your lungs. Sometimes we need to breathe the fresh air from the sea. It's very good for our health, to clean the indoor air, which we usually spend in our rooms, in the office, in the air conditioning units, from the indoor air. So here we are here out in the sea and in the nature. There is the sun. You can see a lot of trees over there, and in the background you can see the water tower, which is a famous landmark here in Khobar, Saudi Arabia. Wow, this is perfect. It's very relaxing. It's indeed a great feeling when you are bonding with nature. Nature is the best. It will relax and calm your mind. Get out from that pressure, rush, and stress from your daily routine in work. Here you can simply relax and enjoy the view and enjoy the feel of nature. So that's it for now, and I hope you enjoyed the short video, guys, and I'll be back again for another video. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.